What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today you guys are in for a huge surprise. Believe it or not guys, but what we're going to do today is take this ribeye cut, put some bone marrow all around it, wrap it up and attempt reverse sear in the Weber. Doesn't that sound delicious? Stay tuned. First of all, we need to spice this cut of meat. We're going to use the spices, let me introduce you. We've got some ground pepper, salt, mixed herbs, barbecue spice, and olive oil. So let's do the olive oil first. Then let's put some pepper, and salt, some dried mixed herbs, some barbecue spice, do that on the other side as well, all the sides to be exact. Let's grab all of that. That looks beautiful. Can be quite liberal. Before we carry on, one of my subscribers has been very active the last 3 weeks. He's been leaving comments, watching all my videos. I really appreciate his support, so I decided to give him a shout out. Christian, thanks for trying out some of my dishes, and I hope you're going to like this one. Let's try this one out as well. And guys, if you haven't yet, if you do like what we're doing here, subscribe. Click on that bell, that notification, and send in your pics. Let us know how this worked out for you. Please go and try it. It doesn't have to be this chunk of meat that you do it. You can do it with a lot of other small pieces of meat as well. Right, let's get straight into it. So this cut of meat particularly, this ribeye, we know this is a very flavorful piece of meat because of the marble and the fat. It depends your relation with your butcher, where you buy it, and how you actually get hold of it. You might want to or need to trim a little bit of fat back. In this case over here, you can see that's done already. I don't want to trim too much, as this fat's definitely going to infuse the rest of the meat with lots of flavor. Here's our bone marrow. Basically, you can see it's bone, cut long ways, and there's your marrow inside. So this brings us to the next step. We're going to put the bone marrow with the marrow facing to the inside of the meat. And this is really going to make it soft, give it lots of flavor. It's really going to be beautiful. So we're going to just go all around and make sure it's surrounded by this bone marrow. And then we're going to use string, butcher's twine, to keep it in place. This is about 4.5 pound. Almost 2 kilogram piece of meat. I'm going to take a little bit of steel wire and just put one at the bottom and maybe one midway. Let's do that. You can see it's just thin steel wire. You can use the thicker ones as well. So this is what we're aiming for just before we're going for the fire. You can see nice and snug. We ended up using steel wire and some butcher's twine. We are looking for internal temp 110 Fahrenheit, and that's going to be done in direct heat. We're going to move it over, open the lid, make sure the fire's back on going strong. We're going to do top and bottom 5 minutes aside, just to get to a temperature of 125 internal. Rest it a little bit, and then the best part of everything, digging in. Let's do this. That's exactly what we want to hear. Sizzling sounds when we put our meat onto this grill. Guys, it's been exactly an hour and we've got 110 internal temperature. So let's take this boy out. So basically we just want to put it on its side, let's say every quarter for a minute or two. It's a very windy day out here today, but we're not going to let that interfere with our bright time, are we guys? This smells divine. Can't wait to dig into this. Look at that fat there, the marble. Look how soft it is. Hey guys, it's almost like it wants to break. Look there. Oh, awesome. This is going to be nummies. We're basically doing a reverse sear because we went indirect heat for an hour and now we're going direct heat. We basically warm, heat, sear, all the sides, take it off, let it rest. That's reverse sear. We've got our temperature. Let's take this big bad boy off and go let it rest for a bit. We've been waiting so long, let's open this one up. Guys, this looks divine. Whoa, look at that. Huh? Look at that bone marrow. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Hi guys. Oh, look at that juices, look there. Right, boys and girls, let's do the most important thing of all, tasting this reverse seared bone marrow ribeye. Let's do it. I'm just gonna do that because I like to go straight for the middle. Beautiful. Let's get a piece over here. Look at that. Cheers, guys. Wow. That is beautiful. I'm tasting the pepper on the side, the salt, the herbs. It's just absolutely fantastic. Let's have a taste of this bone marrow. I mean, guys, if you haven't tried this, really, try it at home. You don't even need to do the meat. You can just do this. This dish on its own. Let's try it. Beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. Guys, if you like what we're doing here, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications. Click on that bell. Make sure you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. It's always great to hear from you guys. Stay in touch. See you next time. Cheers. Oh, fantastic. Let's give another bite here. You're still recording.